Meet Sam. He plays cricket and wants to practice with good players so he can make it to the next level of his cricket career. But how does he find the right players, teams, and tournaments? CricFi is here to help. All Sam has to do is sign up on CricFi, and he can use Map Search to connect with players, coaches, teams, and tournaments that he might not have discovered otherwise. Sam can check out player profiles and team up with them.
Cool! I found some awesome players, and we've even formed our team. Now we practice daily, but managing our team is such a pain.
Good news, Sam. At CricFi, you can easily manage your team's profile, members, schedule, albums, blogs, and much more.
Wow! I just created a tournament with local teams, and it was as easy to manage as my team. We even had an official blogger to write about the matches.
You can also use our social features to stay connected with your fans, followers, and friends. Users can showcase their achievements. Bloggers can share their blog post. Beginners can benefit from advice from pros like coaches. Fans can connect with bloggers and players. Users can join nearby teams and tournaments. Keep up with stats by managing scorecards, and so much more.
Amazing!
So, if you believe you can be among the best in cricket, then sign up on CricFi today and show the world.